continue tomorrow. Bring your dancing shoes. If you waste time at home, you will come here, things are over, like some people do today. If you come early, you will dance to your satisfaction. We have limited time, so tomorrow, what is that address? Marriott Downtown. Marriott Hotel Downtown, I think it is on, what is that street? Green Street. It's only 1 mile of downtown. So now I'm going to introduce one of the latecomers. He is late because he flew. If he had walked from Dallas, he would have gotten here before the plane came. But he flew, so they kept him in Atlanta while the party was going on here. So they just come in. He is the senior member of this family. So he is Chief Linus Ayose, and his wife is Lolo Sisi Ayose. They came in late. So now we are going to give him the grand honor to do the closing remarks for the family. Chief Ayose. Ndị Igbo mma nọ. Ndị Igbo birigwe nọ. Ndị Edo mụọ nọ. Ndị Nigeria nọ nọ.
Ladies and gentlemen, as it's been introduced by my junior brother, yes, I was late, but I still made it. That's glory be to God. However, this is the beginning of the event. It's a step forward. More of it is going to be happening tomorrow. And I will love it. However, I take this opportunity to thank everyone that has showed up to this event tonight. Our in-laws from my group. Truly, I am a senior brother to Dr. Harvard, Nwankwo. We are from the same compound. And I live, my wife and I, all of this area, we live in Dallas, Texas. We are grateful for the happening today. It's a day, a remarkable day that we are not going to forget in the life. We've been praying for it. It has come. It has come. We are going to welcome it. We're going to enjoy it. And as this is happening in the family of Nwankwo, I wish it would happen in every other family that is around the world. And whatever makes us happy, let it be good for every family. We are in this country for business. And that business go with us and get back our own country. Please, I would not like to hold you late. I wish the party continues until the door is closed, and I am ready to party with you all. Thank you, and as you leave here, God guide all of you back to where you come from. Thank you very much.
Ayakata Abonga bana kia 5 Ona bashiriko Mbana uranya kuranya Mbapanu kwelu Umaya uma Sawa Koya Ayakata bongo Igbo adobumda super namia shanje aye super ayakata olende olenwa olenwa olende olenwa ayakata bongo olende olenwa olende olenwa ayakata bongo andende biuna nulolum chiwanya beri mana bobo abuja kwari ala unit bongalele bongalele ego dobo ayakata bobo siaute okirikiri kana wugo sanari elu ake u bamarema abara ma facha supu iketu gbeja chumbo so obi kemuru ne una emereme egwu nwa meja akuye owi yeji na marambo oko jagbe egwu miye wanwanyi jagbe egwu miye bongo nwa meja akuye owi yeji na marambo ake wa yakata go kipe ya onyoma ewe mama lele chimwanye beri mana egwu chijiri chomuma awo bamsi buga awu emjagaga bonga lele ewo egwa gbogbo ayakata bongo amde nebi unanu lolu chimwanye beri mana egwu njeru wamo ayakata bongo egwu chijiri chanye mma boko jagba ya ọwani jagbe kum ayakata bongo bonga lele egwu mo ayakata bongo akewu spicha musi owe ho akagba ge akwa mgbanje isi kakpadi ibe ya taa akamemoro ni suku ebere akidiri egwu ogi mani be manu nwanne ya o ndo mama meberi mana dajo wigire ole neji nwoke mara mma nwafọ Nazaret
My name is Chief Linus Ayozie. I am the senior brother of Dr. Herbert Nwankwo. We are from the same compound, and I live in Dallas,
Texas.
My advice to the couple, based on the experience I have in marriage life, and this is my daughter that is being married today to the Edo man. There are a lot of advices to be given in a wedding, in a marriage life, but what is important is the advice that one gives to himself, to herself, to themselves. Today is a new day in the life of the couple, the lady and the husband. It is important that the lady recognizes the man as the head of household. And in my family, that is preeminent, and she will do that. She has to love the husband, and the husband has to love her. They got to work together. They got to listen to each other. They got to give themselves good advices. And she has to understand, and he has to understand, that better advices work better than good advices. In other words, good advices will always give way to better ones. Therefore, when the wife gives an advice, if it's something that will answer to their problems, the man should listen. If the man also gives advice that will be an answer to their problem, the woman should listen. Two of them should contribute ideas. Two of them should live as husband and wife, help each other left and right, working together to achieve a goal. And we pray God will guide them through and give them what they pray for good. Give them all springs, give them happiness, love, and long life and prosperity.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
In a memory, from January to December, so after our wedding, no go.